Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Hyperterminal into your computer in a very simple way. How you're going to do it? You just simply go for any of your favorite browser. First, you have to go for any of your favorite browser and then come into the search option and going to search for Hyperterminal and then click enter. After that, you will get a website called www.warp.dev. You can simply download modern Mac terminal from here, but we will going to go for hyper.is. So going to click on hyper.bar. So we will going to click on hypertm, and then here you can see there is a download option. Before that, if you have different operating system, then you can simply select them and you can download them over here. After that, we selecting Windows over here. We're going to click on download, and after a short time, you can see the download has been started. So it's about 70.4 MB, so it will take some of seconds to download. For that, keep patient. After completing the download, you just need to click on it 2 times, and now you can simply minimize the browser, and then from here you can see the hyper setup options shows up, and from here you can see there is a destination folder options over here. So here you can simply change your download location or installation location, but I want to leave it as default and then click on install. After that, you can see the installing, and it will take some of seconds to install. For that, keep patience, and you can see it's already completing the setup. And now if you click on finish, so you can see that your Hyperterminal is opened into your computer. So now there is a very important topic to discuss. How you're going to configure it into your computer. This is the most important preferences for this video. So for that, you just need to click on this hamburger icon, go for the edit, and then go for the preferences. After that, you can see there are hyper.js, lots of coding over here. So what we're going to do, we will going for the notepad, and I have made a dedicated config for your hyper.js. So what you can do, you can simply select them all by Ctrl A, and you can click on Ctrl+ C to copy it, and then you can go for hyper.js, this option over here, and you're going to select them all and going to delete them and going to paste them this config over here, and then you can simply press Ctrl+S to save it, and you can simply close it. Don't worry, I will give you this config into the video description. From there you can simply copy it, and then you can simply paste it into your computer. This is how you can simply download and install Hyperterminal into your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.